Researching the market for a 2008 Holden Commodore. This is the vehicle you've been looking for, with a reliable engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. If safety is a concern, know you are covered with this vehicle's features. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.